Hi boys and girls, Miss Brown here, and today is May the 6th, 2020. If you missed this morning's conference call or you just need a refresher of today's objective, then you've come to the right place. Today's objective is to use different strategies to make a dollar or to make change from a dollar. The first question that we have for today is Tracy has 85 cents in her change purse. She has 4 coins. Which coins are they? So here I have represented the coins with circles. 4 coins. And over here, I have a thought bubble. And what this thought bubble is, these are just some things that you should be thinking about as you plan to solve this problem. The first thing that you should be thinking about is what coins can I use to get to 85 cents? And the second thing is if I'm trying to get to 85, should I use big value coins or should I use small value coins? Okay, so pause this video, come up with your plan, and then play it again. Okay, let's see what you have come up with. It says that Tracy has 85 cents in her change purse and she only has 4 coins. So the first thought is if I'm trying to get 85, should I use big value coins or small value coins? I would think that you would start out using big value coins. And the biggest value coin that we could use is a quarter. So we're going to put 25 in the first coin. All right, so we're trying to get to 85, so that's still not close. So we're going to use another big value coin, and we can use this without going over our 85 cent. Okay, so now we have 2 25-cent coins, which is 2 quarters, and now we're at 50 cents. Can we afford to do another quarter here without going over 85? Yes. So now we are at 3 quarters, which is 75 cents. Now, this part is easy. Now that we're at 75, we're really close to 85. So what is it going to take for us to go from 75 and that it would take us to 85? Yes, you've guessed it. It is 10, which is a dime. So the coins in her purse are 3 quarters and 1 dime. And that will give us the 85 cents. Okay? Now let's move on to letter B. How much more money will Tracy need if she wants to buy a bouncy ball for $1? Notice I have highlighted for you the key words in this problem. How much more? Okay, so there are actually 2 ways you can solve this. We know what how much more means. You can solve it by what? How much more? Yes, subtracting. So you can subtract what Tracy has from $1, or you can do it the arrow way. You can count up from 85 cents to $1. Now, since our problem set is actually using the strategy of counting up using the arrow way, then we're going to solve this problem using the arrow way. So go ahead and pause this video and solve for how much more money will Tracy need if she wants to buy a bouncy ball for $1. Pause this video. Okay, we are back, and the strategy that we're going to use is the arrow way. Here again is your thought bubble. What strategy can I use to find out how much more money Tracy will need to get to 100? We are using the arrow way today. And so this is pretty easy. From 85 to this number here, what would be the value that we should add to get to the first line? If you guess 10 cent, then you are correct, because 85 plus 10 more cent is 95. So let's draw our dime just to keep track of the coins that we're adding. In order to get from 95 to $1, what will go on this line? You guessed it, This is 100, and we added a nickel. So 95 here, one more nickel is $1. We added 15 cents. Here's a dime, and here's the nickel. So Tracy needs 15 cents. 15 cents to buy a bouncy ball. Okay, and that is your strategy that you're using today. Just remember, all of your problem set involves using the arrow way, counting up from a number to get to 100 or that dollar. Remember, if you have any questions, you can post them in the question and answer channel in our math team, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.